Oh my gosh.
I need to select the steam bake setting. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a business analyst at AO.
Hi, I'm Becky and I'm the Senior People Partner at AO.
What would you say is the quintessential roast?
Love a roast chicken, cauliflower cheese, roasties cooked in the goose fat, Yorkshire puddings.
We'd just get the store-bought Yorkshires, right?
No, can't do that. You can't make the Yorkshires yourself.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, am I making Yorkshire puddings? Yes, I love that!
So
I've just gone a bit nervous, yeah.
So in that steam oven that's behind you,
You are going to make Yorkshire...
Puddings from a cold start.
What? Really? Usually my oil's in there for a good like 10-15 minutes before it's hot enough to use. I'm a little bit nervous on the cold start. I think I'm going to end up buying this oven if it works.
we're going to put water in there.
What?
So this is where we're going to get our steam from.
Okay.
What does make the perfect Yorkshire pudding?
Slightly just crispy, a little bit toasted on the outside at the top, but like on the inside it's just really moist and soft.
Can you see how much they've grown in the last couple of minutes?
Oh wow. Didn't expect that.
Do I have to share? Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, that's a really good Yorkshire pudding.
Crunchy on the outside, very soft in the middle, but cooked to perfection, I'd say.
I'm really impressed with that. Like really impressed. And it was so quick. I think that's restaurant quality, if I don't say so myself.